Okay, and welcome to episode 3, the exciting, thrilling conclusion where we install our used part. Uh, Real quick, before I bought this, and I knew this wasn't going to be cheap, although I got it a lot less than what I expected it to be. I wanted to be sure that this was going to be exactly what I wanted. So, what you can see here is a dummy knob, basically another OEM Mitsubishi shift knob that's the same size as this, more or less, from my junk parts. This actually came on my 5-speed shifter, 5-speed transmission when I bought it 15 years ago, and I never used it with the quick shift kit that we built. But I put it on so I could see if the shifter height and throw with this knob was within what I wanted, um, before spending money to buy an Evo knob. And it's just right. I mean, from the position of the steering wheel to reaching the knob and the throw that the knob gives, I'm happy with that. So we're making it permanent now by going with the leather uh, Lancer Evo shift knob, which matches all of the black and leather and the very incorrect Momo steering wheel, Momo Monte Carlo steering wheel that I'm putting on this car. So, how do you change a shift knob? Super easy, at least with the Mitsubishi. You just unscrew this, a little bit tight, but that's how they all are. Unscrew, quite a bit of unscrewing because it's deep in there. Unscrew and remove. Fun fact, this is a fabricated shifter arm. This thread here um, was actually the original camshaft bolt from my engine that held the cam gear on for the stock number 1 cam, which was replaced when we put the number 4 rally cam, which needs a bigger bolt to work with the adapter for it. We repurposed that little bolt to live on as the shifter. And also the shifter itself. It's a converted short shifter. It's actually the original shifter of this car from the 4-speed transmission, modified to be a short shifter for the 5-speed. And how do you install? It's already threaded. You just put it in like so. And it's gonna be funny if this doesn't work out because we're already fully committed to doing this. Evo knob. Turning. It turns quite a bit, these Mitsubishi knobs. It has a plastic thread inside, so it really tightens up. I think that is that's it. That is it. That's in there good. And yeah, overall, it's a tiny bit taller. Doesn't seem that way, but it actually ends up a tiny bit taller than this OEM Mitsunab, which I kind of like. It makes it nearer to reach, and it increases the throw a little bit, but yeah, actually the longer throw feels good. That's the good stuff. Yeah, that's nice and tight in there. Anyone wants this one? I can give this away if any of you guys want this one. 5-speed knob for your Gen 1 Lancer. Not too many of those around. But yeah, there you go. Good stuff. And I think that's the conclusion of this video. Thank you for watching.